Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent other users and Meta's AI features from generating content using your posts or reels on Instagram. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So recently Instagram released a new app, Muse, that allows people to create AI content using your and others' photos or reels on Instagram. And if you don't want this to happen to your account, to your posts, you need to turn off special option in the settings. So first of all, open the Instagram and go to your profile and click on the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings and activity. So there are basically two ways of how you can turn off this thing on Instagram. The first way is you need to scroll down just a little until you'll see sharing and reuse button and click on it. And now as you can see here, you have a bunch of options. You will need to find allow people to create with and reuse your content, and you basically need to turn off posts and reels like that. So turn off these two options. Basically you can now scroll down and find allow people to create with and reuse your original audio on Meta AI. You can also turn this off, and basically here you can check some more options, but I recommend you to turn off these three options first. So once you have done it, you're fine now. But if you don't see these type of options, sharing and reuse here, or the second way of how you can prevent others of using your photos on the AI, you can also just simply make your account private. So go back to the settings and go to the account privacy right here, click on it, and basically now you will need to just simply turn off the option called private account and confirm the action clicking on switch to private. And that is how you can also prevent others from using your content to generate AI photos, etc. So basically that is it. That is how you can prevent others from using your content in AI features. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.